This model kit review is of the FW190, and this is a very unusual version. It also includes an 11CV staff car, and this is a 1/48 scale model by Tamiya. Got some very nice box art here, and it is a very unusual plane. So there's some pictures of the plane. Got that red underside. Looks like there's another option there. Got some of the dimensions there. So let's have a look inside. Let's see what we've got. Well, let's start off here with our little car. 1/48 scale really just seems so small compared to the 1/24 scale. But look at that molding quality. That is beautiful. Wow, that's impressive. Here is our well, it's a staff figure. That is also very impressive. Look at that detail. Here is the rest of the car. There's our glass. Looks like the top of the car is included with that. And there's our front windshield. Some headlights. And here's our chassis. Looks like the axle's going to go through there. We've got probably a spare tire there. There are our wheels. We've got our seats. The backs of the seats doesn't look like they have any covers for those. And there's axles, steering wheel. We've got those are the lights there. There's the front grille, and here is the front fenders. Okay, now onto the plane, and here we've got our front windshield, and then I guess two different versions of two different canopies there. Okay, and these sprues here of the plane. We've got our lower wing with very nice recessed panel lines and lots of surface detail. Here's the fuselage, and that's also very beautifully molded. Same for the other half. On the inside we don't really have any detail here for our cockpits on the side, so perhaps that's separate. Here is the nose cover with guns. We've got our cowl, different parts there with it open or close. There are our wheels. There's the front of the engine part there. Big propeller. There's our spinner, wheel well covers, fuel tank there, landing gear. There's the engine exhaust, got lots of little details to add. And then there is the instrument panel. There's the side of the cockpit, that's what that's going to be. Okay, these sprues here. Looks like we've got some more parts as alternates. So here's the other propeller. Here's our wheel well, and it's got some very nice detail. Here's the radial engine. Another spinner there. Here's our elevator. There's the foot pedals, not that you're ever going to see them in this model. Seat, tail dragger, the wheel, more engine parts here. And there's our pilot figure. Tops of the wings. And there's our cockpit. So that is beautifully molded. Now we've got a lot of things to look at here. First of all, let's look at our decals. So the red you're going to have to paint, and then you're going to put all these decals on the red. I guess it's not a red and white decal. And I'm not sure what these are here. Let's see. Get these other pieces out here. I guess this must be for the car. Let's have a look and see what this is for. One extra decal for a different license plate. Okay. So anyway, some very nicely printed decals here with lots and lots of details. That is very nice. Let's have a look at our car. Here is the paint and decal guide. That's the color to do. And shows you for the wheels what colors they should be. The rest of it's going to be pretty much the dark yellow. Okay, let's go through the car first. So here's some details here about the car. And okay, we start over here with our chassis, suspension and wheels. We build the interior. There's the front fender going on with headlights. Glass goes on. And front windshield. Then we put the body on to the chassis, and there's the front grille. And over here we have our well, here are the colors needed, and then that's how to paint it. And here is the paint and decal guide. Maybe just a few different decals will differentiate them. Maybe the front grille is slightly different there. Okay. Okay, now on to our plane. It's a very nice looking plane. Here's some details about the FW190. And here are all the colors needed. So there are 3 different aircraft here, it says. We start off with the cockpit there and pilots. Put together the fuselage there. Exhausts go on. And then landing gear. It's a wheel well already, it's landing gear bay, is what they called it. The wings are then assembled and then mounted onto the fuselage as well as the elevators. Now, here are the landing gear. Don't forget to paint these red as well. That's landing gear out or down. You could always have them up if you wanted to. We're putting the front engine on. Well, it looks like I don't see anywhere where the radial engine is being used. I'm not even sure why they have it. Maybe it's just an old... I don't see any way that the radial engine is being used. Yeah, it's probably just an old molding that they've adapted for this one. Nose is going on there. There's the supercharger air intake. There's the propeller assembly with our canopy. That's all then mounted, so depending on which version you're going to build, you use a different canopy. And then the figure. So here's some details here about how to paint it. Well, let's look at our this is our paint and decal guide. So this is beautifully printed. Look at that. This is the full-size model here. So colors there, paint and decal guide here. Even shows it being weathered. And there's the underside, which is very unusual, that red. And then here's the side. So I guess those are, that's the one version here from 1945, Bunchen Riem. Then here's another version here from 1945, and that's what that looks like. And here's another version from 1945 with darker colors but still red underneath. So that's awesome to have all those options, and the car as well. And there's some beautiful details and decals, and that's another great kit from Tamiya.